Hello children, welcome to that Narayana live classes and social amazing assignment. Today we start that amazing assignment. So refer Sadhana workbook page number 59 and 60 from class 3. Okay, shall we start that? Yes. So first Roman, which continents do the following oceans separate? So first one, Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean separates the which continents? So Asia, North America, okay, Asia, North America, South America, and Australia. Okay, second one. What is that second one? Atlantic Ocean. So Atlantic Ocean separates North America and Europe and South America and Africa. So what is that? North America, Europe, South America and Africa. In middle of these continents only we see that Atlantic Ocean. Next, Indian Ocean. So where is Indian Ocean? Yes, Asia and Australia, and also Asia and Africa. Let us see second Roman. Yes, what is it second Roman? Complete the following sentences. So the large ocean surrounded by Pangaea are, so it is a supercontinent. What is it Pangaea other name? That is a supercontinent. Okay. Supercontinent. Africa continent is used to be known as, so actually earlier it is called as dark continent. Why? Full of that you see that Sahara desert is there. So that's why only it is called as dark continent. Next, North America and South America continent connected by a narrow piece of land. So that is only called as isthmus land. Okay. Europe is also known as, so in olden days, that means earlier it is called as Eurasia. What is the name? Yes, Eurasia. Next, Australia is known as, so what is the fifth one? Australia is known as, so land of golden fleece. Okay. So once I am repeat that, the large ocean surrounded by Pangaea are supercontinent. So what is the other name for Pangaea? Supercontinent. Next, Africa continent is used to be known as, so Africa continent is used to be known as dark continent. So in earlier actually it is there Sahara desert. So that's why only it is called as that. Most of the place is covered with Sahara desert. So that's why only it is called as dark continent. Next, North America and South America continents connected by a narrow piece of land. So that land is called as isthmus land. Europe is also known as Eurasia. What is the other name? Eurasia. Next, Australia is known as land of golden fleece. Okay, let's go to that third Roman. Yes. So this is the match the following. So what is the first one? Sharp Peak. What is that sharp peak? Peak means it is a mountain. So what is the answer? Yes, C is the answer. Next, Tableland. So what is the other name for Tableland? So we call it as plateau. Why? It is like a table. So Yes, E is the answer. Next, flat land. What is it, flat land? Now we are seeing that all we are standing flat lands. So that is called as plain. So what is the answer? D is the answer. Next, deep water bodies. So deep water bodies is called as oceans. Yeah. The salt producers, where we can produce the salt in ocean water. Okay, from oceans only we can get the salt. Okay children, all of you understood? Okay, once I repeat this. Sharp Peak. So Sharp Peak is a mountain. C is the answer. Next, tableland. Tableland is a plateau. Flatland. Flatland is a plain. Deep water bodies. So deep water bodies is otherwise called as oceans. Next, last, salt producers, where we can get the salt from ocean water. Okay, thank you children. Thank you very much.